Towards. Hi. Do you eat malunggay? Do you guys eat malunggay? Do you know malunggay? It's moringa in English. I love this. I used to have this at my front yard. And when the garage was, built or erected, the malunggay chose to go. I just let the malunggay go instead of keeping it, you know. And I kind of regret it because after that, nanghihingi na ako ng malunggay sa kapitbahay. And also have this, what do you call that? Lemongrass. In English, we call that tanglad. I also have that at my front yard.